I start this video in the name of God, the most merciful and the most gracious, and peace be upon you all. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of August 2025 for all the ascendant one by one. So first of all, we will talk about Aries ascendant. For all the Aries ascendant people, Sun is right now transiting from your fourth house in the sign of Cancer, and Sun will stay into your fourth house till 16th August 2025. After 16th August, Sun will move from your fourth house to your fifth house in the sign of Leo, in its own sign where Ketu is already moving. So, Sun is the ruler of your fifth house, and right now, your fifth house lord is transiting 12 places away from itself into your fourth house in the sign of Cancer. Cancer sign is a bit of a problematic sign for the sun because Cancer sign represent caring, and sun true nature of sun is your is the order, your ego, your kingliness is seen from your sun. So in the sign of Cancer, where Mercury is already traveling, you might face for all the age ascendant people, you might face some differences regarding your children's related matter. If you have children right now, you may face some differences regarding your love relationship, because from fifth house we also see your sincere love relationship if you have any sincere love relationship into your life. Fifth house also represent your education. Like if you are in education life, you may face some disturbing result till sun is moving to your fourth house. After 16th of August, when sun will move from your fourth house to your fifth house in its own sign, although Ketu is moving into your fifth house, but sun in its own sign, you will have some stability regarding your fifth house related matter. So, when Sun and Ketu will too close to each other, you may face some disturbing result to try to take care of your these matter which we have just discussed regarding your children's related matter, regarding your love relationship, and also your education related matter if you are in education life. Because when Sun and Ketu will too close to each other, and Ketu will create a shadow on the Sun, so you may face a difficult result regarding that matter. But that will be happen in the next month. So you may get great result after 16th of August when Sun will move from your fourth house to your fifth house in the sign of Leo. Regardless of Ketu is moving into your fifth house, you already have facing some differences regarding your fifth house related matters, some problem, some detachment, some problems regarding your relationship, regarding your children, because Ketu give you some type of separative result into your fifth house. So you may get disturbed regarding your education related matter if you are in education life, but after 16th August, when Sun will move into your fifth house, you will have the stable result. Mercury controls your third house and your sixth house. And as we discussed previously, Mercury is already transiting from your fourth house along with Sun. Mercury was previously moving in its retrograde motion from the last month, and will be moving in its retrograde motion till 11th August. So after 11th August, Mercury will come out from its retrograde motion and will be present into your fourth house. So previously, from a long time, Mercury is transiting from your fourth house. Although it's retrograde motion, but around 11th of August, Mercury will come out from its retrograde motion and will be in its direct motion. And in the end of August, Mercury will change its sign from your fourth house to your fifth house. So, third house is your communication, and sixth house is your competition, your against people, your court case litigation, arguments, your fights, your people who provided you services are seen from sixth house. Your job, nature of your work is represented by sixth house somehow. Your acute health issues also seen from your sixth house. So, Mercury is moving in its good position because Cancer sign considered as the average sign for Mercury in astrology. So you will have great result. And also, your third house is occupied by Jupiter, and Mercury is taking Jupiter's energy into your fourth house and aspecting your 10th house. So whatever you are working right now, you will have a stable result regarding your work related matter. Just you may have to face some disturbing result from your superior if you work under someone, because aspect of Sun onto your 10th house, and Ketu is right now transiting from your fifth house in the sign of Sun. So Sun may give you some disturbance from your bosses, superiors, so try to avoid too much communication with your superior and bosses in the month of August. Rest, we can expect great result for your work related matter, for your earnings, for your job related matter, and your respect will be stable in the month of August. If you're facing some court case litigation argument, like Mars is transiting from your sixth house, and Mars is just moved into your sixth house in the sign of Virgo in the beginning of the August, in the end of July. So till the whole month of August, Mars will be staying into your sixth house. So Mercury have the both planets energy into your fourth house, like Jupiter is transiting from your third house in the sign of Gemini, which is also a Mercury sign, and Mars is transiting from your sixth house Virgo sign, which is also a Mercury sign, and expecting your tenth house. That's why you will have great result regarding your communication related matter. If your work is somehow connected to public dealing or your work is somehow connected to communication, you will have a stable result. If you are dealing with some court case, enemies, you're against people, you are doing some competitive exam, then things will turn into your favor slowly but surely in the month of August. Venus is the lord of your second house and your seventh house, and right now Venus is transiting from your third house in the sign of Gemini. Till 21st of August, Venus will stay into your third house, and after 21st of August, Venus will move from your third house to your fourth house in the sign of Cancer. Uh, Venus will stay into your third house till 21st of August. After 21st of August, 1st of August, Venus will move from your third house to your fourth house in the sign of Cancer. And Cancer sign considered as a, positive sign for Venus. Venus give great result in the sign of Cancer. So second house is your money matters, your savings, your bank account, your family matters, your loved ones are seen from second house, your early upbringing, your speech, your food intake habits, your mouth region, etc., etc. So, and seventh house is your marriage, your relationships in journal. Like if you have multiple relationships, or all these things are seen from seventh house. If you have single relationship, then this thing is also seen from your seventh house. And marriage as well is seen from seventh house, because seventh house, from seventh house we see your contract, your agreemented thing, your committed, your commitments are seen from seventh house. How you will meet others, how others perceive you when you will meet others. So somehow your fame is also represented by seventh house. Venus is present into your third house along with Jupiter, and both are considered as a teacher in the astrology, because these two planets are considered as the teacher. Jupiter is the teacher of positive planet, and Venus considered as the teacher of all the malefic planets. But both the planets have the same values. But both the planets have same values in astrology, because these two planets, Jupiter and Venus, considered as the teacher in astrology. Jupiter considered as the benefic planets teacher, and Venus considered as the teacher of all the malefic planets. But it doesn't mean Venus is the negative planet. Venus is the most beneficial planet. Venus give sometime all the good result in the chart is belongs to Venus, because I saw some charts, I saw some people chart where Venus is giving very great result as compared to Jupiter. So both the planets are considered as a teacher, and right now present into your third house. So your communication related matter, your younger brother, cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, your efforts will be very high. Your courage will be very high in the month of August. You will do most of the thing by your courage and by your efforts, and you will also get the revenue of that effort, because from Jupiter and Venus also expecting your ninth house from your third house, and ninth house considered as the house of luck, house of mentors, guiders, advisors, and due to the aspect of Jupiter and Venus from your third house to your ninth house, if you are married right now, you will have a stable result. If you want to travel somewhere, you will get the opportunity to travel somewhere as well. If you are looking to travel somewhere in the month of August, if you are not married right now and you are looking for a life partner, or you are looking for some good proposals, then you may get good proposal in the month of August from the people you know, because Seventh house got present into your third house. Third house is the house of your acquaintances. So you will get good proposal in the month of August if you're looking for from your people, from the people you already know. Mars, as we discussed previously, Mars is right now transiting from your sixth house, and Mars is your ascendant lord. Mars is very important planet for all the Aries ascendant people, and also controls your eighth house. There is a very good thing for all the Aries ascendant people because your one naturally malefic house lord, eighth house lord is transiting from your sixth house, and as we discussed previously many times. When one naturally malefic house lord transiting from another naturally malefic house, this situation create a positive result because negative always cancels each other out. So it also Mars is your ascendant lord. So if you are dealing with some court cases, litigation, argument, and you are in debt right now, you have to pay loan, then things will turn into your favor and you will be in a win position. Uh, you will also get the strength to withstand your enemies and you will be able to tackle all the difficulty with your courage, with your luck, because as we discussed previously, Jupiter, Venus axis, third, ninth axis, and you will also able to defeat your enemies and win any court case litigation argument. If you are older in age or you have some disease previously, you may have to face hospital time to time because 12th house is right now in a strong position in Mars, your ascendant Lord expecting from your sixth house to your first house. So you may have to visit your doctor if you are older in age and you are facing some disease previously. So try to take care of yourself in the month of August, and that's all for all the Aries ascendant people. Now let's talk about Taurus ascendant. For all the Taurus ascendant people, Sun is right now transiting from your third house in the sign of Cancer, and Sun is the controller of your fourth house. Fourth house is your home, properties, your vehicles, your comfort, your homies are seen from fourth house. Your mother's relationship, and your vehicles, comfort, conveniences, and etc. etc. Ketu is right now transiting from your fourth house in the sign of Leo. Ketu is a separative planet. Ketu give you detachment. Ketu separate you from worldly thing. Ketu always try to pull you towards spirituality, isolation, etc. So you will be close to God. So Ketu is right now transiting from your fourth house. You may get separated from your homeland if you want to travel somewhere. There is a high possibility you will get the chance to travel because the third house is connected to travel, and fourth house is your homeland. And Ketu is a separatist planet, and Lord of your fourth house is right now transiting 12 places from itself and aspecting your ninth house. Ninth house is a long distance travel. You may get opportunity to travel a long distance or a short distance travel, but somehow you will get some separative tendency regarding the fourth house related matter. Till Ketu is starting from your fourth house, try to avoid purchasing a new vehicles or some very expensive conveniency related matter. Because Ketu, as we discussed previously, try to separate you from your worldly comfort and worldly things. Sun being present in your third house is the house of communication, courage. Your younger brothers, sisters, cousins, neighbors, childhood friends are seen from third house. Your communication and communication ability, especially seen from your third house. Your hand skills also seen from your third house. Sun being into your third house may give you very courageous result. You will be very outspoken in the month of August. If your work is somehow connected to communication, like you are a public dealer or you have to communicate with a lot of people, like you are a salesperson, then you will have the very great result and you will do a lot of achievement in the month of August. If you are a business person, if you are a job person, there are high possibility you will get great result at your work. You may get some increment promotion in the month of August because Rahu is transiting from your 10th house and fourth house Lord being transiting from your third house in the house of courage. Just try to control your ego battles with your younger brother, cousins, neighbors, and childhood friends. There are chances you may indulge into some ego battles, or argumentative communication with these people. Mercury controls your second house and your fifth house, and Mercury is all as well transiting from your third house in the sign of Cancer. So, what is second house? Second house, your savings, your money matters, your early upbringing, your mouth regions, your food intake habits, your home early upbringing, your savings, money matter. All the matters related to money are seen from your second house and 11th house. So, what is fifth house? Fifth house is your children, your love relationship, sincere love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, your fun activities, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, how smart you are, how genius you are, etc., etc. So, Mercury being present in the sign of Cancer in the month of August, and Mercury is right now transiting in its great motion till 11th August. After 11th August, Mercury will come out from its great motion and will be in its direct motion into your third house. Your second house is a Gemini sign and occupied by Jupiter and Venus, and these two planets considered as the teacher in astrology, like guider of the planets in the astrology. Jupiter is the guider of benefic planets, and Venus is the guider of negative planets, like a malefic planet, not a negative planet. Every planet is a good planet. We can't say it's a negative or a positive, but we can say in regards of result like a naturally malefic or naturally benefic. Because when we go further in teaching you astrology, you will understand what is naturally malefic and what is naturally benefic planets. But right now, you just need to understand like Jupiter and Venus, both the planets are considered as teacher in astrology and occupied your second house of Mercury, and Mercury is transiting into your third house. And another house of Mercury, like your fifth house, Virgo sign is comes to your fifth house, and Virgo, your fifth house is occupied by Mars. So Mercury has a lot of energy in the month of August and transiting from your third house, aspecting your ninth house. Ninth house is the house of luck, house of travel, house of belief system, house of your mentor, guidance, post-grad education, higher education. So, as we discussed previously, in some section till 11th August, still Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion. You may face some disturbing result. You may have some communicative disturbance and try to fill everything in a proper manner because when Mercury is in its retrograde motion, Mercury generally represent in astrology in real world like your communication, your writing, your ability to speak and like emailing, texting, any type of communication seen from third. Also, if when Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion, there are high possibility you may do some written mistake. You may, by mistake, you fill out some wrong statement. So try to recheck your all the paperwork, whatever you are doing. Recheck your all the online work second time until Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion. Uh, After 11th of August, you will have very stable results. You will have great result regarding your second house, like your money related matter, and your fifth house, like children, girlfriend, boyfriend. If you have, in whatever age you are, like you are married, you have children, you are not married, you have any girlfriend, boyfriend, because I am seeing your transit chart. I don't know your birth chart and what time period you are currently running through into your birth chart. So on the basis of transit, you will have a stable result. You will have great result after 11th of August. Venus is right now transiting from your second house, as we discussed in Mercury section. And Venus is very important planet for you people because Venus is your ascendant lord. And as well control your sixth house. Sixth house and first house lord, your ascendant lord right now transiting from your second house along with Jupiter. And as we discussed previously, second house is your savings, money matter, your bank account, your family matters, your etc. etc. So regarding your sixth house and your first house, you will have very great result. Like if you are facing some court case, litigation, argument, things will turn into your favor. You will have very stable result being your ascendant lord present into your second house. in the sign of Gemini, along with Jupiter, you will have very great result. You will get the chance to save great good money in the month of August, and because you will have the very good flow in the month of August due to presence of Saturn into your 11th house, and second house is occupied by Jupiter and Venus. Mars is your 12th house and 7th house lord, and 12th house is your isolations, your imagination, your spirituality, your donations, your foreign settlement, all the matters related to foreign is seen from 12th house, space, isolation, and paranormal activities, etc., etc. Your dreams are related by 12th house. Seventh house is your marriage, your relationships, your get-togethers, how you will meet others. Third, seventh, and 11th. This triangle is always connected to your meetings, your get-togethers, friend circle, your socialism is seen from these three houses. So, being your 12th house and 7th house Lord present into your fifth house is the sign of Virgo, and Mars is just moved in the end of July into your fifth house and will stay till the whole month of August into your fifth house. So, 12th house being present into your fifth house, if you have a children and they are in education life, you may try to send them to some foreign land regarding your education related matter. And at least you will think about that because 12th house lord foreign countries house lord is present into your children's house. If you have any sincere love relationship, you may try to travel with them. You may arrange some trip with them, or you will definitely get a chance to travel with them if you have any sincere love relationship or a children's relationship. You may get some difference regarding your education related matter because 12th house is your imagination and fifth house is your education, early education, as well your fun activity. And Mars being your 12th house and seventh house lord try to drag you or pull you out towards your fun activity. So you may distract it from your education related matter, but don't worry a lot. You will cover because your third house, your analytical abilities, and your sixth house, your analytical calculative things are right now in a very good position. So you will cover up all the difficulty and try to enjoy in the month of August. So we can expect these results for all the Taurus ascendant people in the month of August. So now let's talk about Gemini ascendant. For all the Gemini ascendant people, Sun is right now transiting from your second house in the sign of Cancer, and Sun is the controller of your third house. Sun will stay into your second house till 16th of August. After 16th of August, Sun will move from your second house to your third house in the sign of Leo. Third house is your efforts, your communication, your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, your acquaintances are seen from third house. Your journal communication, if you are a salesperson, your hand skills, salesperson in a sense like if your work is somehow involving communication, then you will have great results. But Ketu is right now transiting from your third house, and third house Lord is present in the second house. Third house is your communication, and second house is your speech. Your tongue is seen from your second house. So, Ketu being present in your third house, you may get some communication disturbance. You may don't want to communicate a lot or communicate with your friend circle, cousins, neighbors, childhood friends. Because Ketu give you some type of separative tendency and try to detach you from worldly things and drag you towards spirituality or God, etc., etc. We are talking about Sun. So, Sun being your third house, Lord present into your second house. Second house is your savings, your money matters, your bank account, your wallet, your all form of savings are seen from your second house. Second house currency like savings. Your all form of currency are seen from second house. Savings, bank account, wallet, etc., etc. Your early upbringing, your family matters, your food intake habits are seen from second house, etc., etc. So, Sun, your third house lord being present in your second house till 16th of August, along with you may get great result regarding your savings, your money related matter, but you may get some communication disturbance Try to control your communication disturbance till Sun is present in your second house because time to time you may face ego battles with your homies, with your loved ones. Because Ketu is occupied, third house is occupied by Ketu, and Ketu and Lord of third house is present in your second house. Try to especially avoid communication differences with your homies and with your loved ones because loved ones are seen from your second house and fifth house. The second house are more of a family type, so you may involve into communication disturbance with your homies. After 16th of August, when Sun will move from your second house to your third house, then you will have some stability in the third house related matter, like your courage. Eh, right now, your courage will be very high. So you will be on a stable level because Ketu, as we discussed previously, is a invisible. It is an invisible and very powerful planet. So alone Ketu into your third house may give you some extra courage or unnecessary courage. When Sun will come after 16th of August into your third house, you will have a stable result regarding your third house related matter. Mercury is very important planet for you people because Mercury is your ascendant lord. And Mercury also controls your fourth house, and right now Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion. For all the Gemini ascendant people, your ascendant lord is right now in a retrograde motion till 11th August. You need to be very careful regarding your health related matter, regarding your communication related matter, regarding your family and your savings related matter. Especially when you communicate, you may get some disturbing result regarding your communication related matter till Mercury is transiting in its retrograde motion. And regarding your fourth house, Mars is carrying your fourth house, so you will have stable result regarding your fourth house related matter like your home, properties, vehicles, your comfort, etc., etc. Uh, After 11th of August, when your ascendant Lord Mercury will come back to its direct motion, then you will have a marvelous result regarding your second house, means your gains, your savings, your money matters related matter. And also you will have some good event into your family matters till after 11th of August when Mercury will come out from its retrograde motion because your first house, your Mercury house is right now occupied by your ascendant is occupied by Venus and Jupiter, and Mercury is taking Jupiter, Venus, and Mars is present in your fourth house in the sign of Virgo. So Mercury is taking all these three planets' energy into your second house. And remember, Venus and Jupiter, both the planets are considered as teacher in astrology. Mercury will be in a very great position and give you very good result after 11th August. Venus is right now present into your first house and controlling your 12th house and 7th house. Venus will stay till 21st of August into your uh, first house, being your 12th house. So you may encounter some travel if you are looking to travel somewhere. You have dual nationality. You will definitely get a chance to travel into a another place. 12th house is more like a foreign seen from we see foreign places, foreign travel, permanent foreign travel. If you have any dual nationality, then your travel will be seen from your 12th house, 9th house. So, being your 12th house Lord present into your 11th house, you first house you will have the opportunity, and Jupiter will give you support because 10th house Lord Jupiter is also present in your first house. So, your fame, your personality, your health will be somehow stable, especially after 11th of August when your ascendant Lord will come out from its retrograde position. Venus also controls your fifth house. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your sincere love relationship, your fun activities, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your smartness, how genius you are seen from your fifth house. Fifth house is also your sincere love relationship. Your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance are also seen from your fifth house. So Venus being present into your first house till 21st of August, you will have great result regarding your children if you are married right now. If you are not married and you have children, then you will definitely get a great result, as well get a great result regarding all of that matters. If you have any sincere love relationship, you will definitely get a chance to convert your relationship into marriage if you want to, because your seventh house lord as well present seventh house from seventh house with your marriage, and your seventh house lord Jupiter is as well present in your first house along with your fifth house and respecting your seventh house. So this situation may give you opportunity to turn your relationship into a stronger relation, into a stronger relationship if you want to convert your relationship into marriage or give you a some boost to your relationship. Mars is right now traveling from your fourth house, as we discussed previously in Mercury section, and Mars is the controller of your 11th house, your gains, your incoming gains, your friend circle, your professional circle, your elder brother and sisters, your support system, your sources are seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes and fulfillment hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. And Mars is just move in the end of July into your fourth house and will stay till the whole month of August into your fourth house. So 11th house Lord present into your fourth house and fourth house Lord being present into your second house. This position will create a great indication regarding your finance related matter or good finance related matter, because Mercury is your ascendant lord and fourth house lord, and 11th house lord present your fourth house, and fourth house lord present your second house in the house of savings and money matters. So you will get great result regarding your support system, regarding money related matter, regarding your properties, vehicles, comfort related matter. Especially after 11th of August when Mercury will come out from its retrograde motion. So we can expect these results for all the Gemini ascendant people in the month of August. Now let's talk about Cancer ascendant people. For all the Cancer ascendant people, Sun is right now transiting from your first house into your ascendant, and Sun will stay into your first house till the 16th August 2025. After 16th August, Sun will move from your first house to your second house in its own sign, in the sign of Leo. Your second house is right now occupied by Ketu, and Sun is taking Ketu's energy into your first house in the sign of Cancer. So for all the Cancer ascendant people, you may face some disturbing result in the month of August till your second house Lord present into your first house. First of all, you may get egoistic result. You may get some argumentation with your spouse and your relationships, because Sun is aspecting your seventh house. Seventh house is your relationships, and try to lower your ego in the month of August. If you feel some disturbing result, try to avoid communication and argumentation with your, especially with your seventh house relationship, like your marriage, your relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, etc., etc. After 16th of August, Sun will move from your first house to your second house in its own sign. Then you will have some stable result regarding your savings, because second house represents your money matters, your bank account, your savings, your all the savings form, and you will have some stability, because being Ketu present in your second house, you already facing some disturbing result regarding your savings and money related matters. But after 16th August, when Sun will move from your first house to your second house, you will have some stability regarding your finance and your money related matters. Mercury is the controller of your 12th house and your third house, and Mercury is right now moving in its retrograde motion till 11th August. After 11th August, Mercury will come out from its retrograde motion and will be in its direct motion into your first house, into your ascendant. And till the whole month, Mercury will be present into your first house. Now, understand one thing. The 12th house is occupied by Jupiter and Venus, and it is a Mercury sign, Gemini sign. And third house is occupied by Mars. So Mercury is taking both these three planets' energy into your first house, and right now moving in its retrograde motion. Till 11th of August, as we discussed previously in some section, you need to control yourself a lot, because there is a high possibility you may get time to time disturbance regarding your communication related matter, and regarding your health, regarding your personality, regarding your respect. Because ascendant is right now occupied by Sun and Mercury, and Ketu is occupied into your second house. Although Jupiter and Venus carrying moving in the sign of Mercury into your 12th house, you will have some support of imagination. You will have some guidance, but it's still, especially till 11th of August, till Mercury is moving into great motion, try to control your ego battles and your communication disturbance. After 11th of August, you will have some stable results when Mercury will come out from its retrograde motion, because Mars, your third house, is give you courage, give you strength, and 12th house, which will give you great guidance of imagination and uh, great support from uh, some great spiritual support in the month of August, especially after 11th of August when Mercury will come back to its direct motion. And whenever any planets turn into its retrograde motion, its effect will be double. So till 11th of August, you need to be very careful. Venus controls your 11th house and your 4th house, and right now transiting from your 12th house. And Venus will stay into your 12th house till 21st of August. 11th house is your gains, your hopes and wishes, fulfillment of your hopes and wishes. So, Venus, your 11th house lord being present to your 12th house, you will have great result from foreign land. If you have any connection of earning and you have somehow work connected to foreign land, then there will be a great opportunities from foreign land. If you earn in a foreign currency, or you work for in a multinational company, or your work is somehow connected to export import, any connection from foreign land in your work related matter, you will have great opportunities and you will have great benefits from foreign land in the month of August, especially till 21st of August. Fourth house Lord being present into your 12th house, if you want to permanently move from your birthplace to some different country, and your birth chart will support you. Like you will have also uh, you will also have the combination of planets regarding foreign settlement. Then you will definitely get a chance to travel, and that travel will be proved very beneficial for you, for all the Cancer ascendant people, because fourth house is your homeland, and homeland is right now present into your 12th house. And 12th house is right now also occupied by Jupiter. So that's why if you are looking to settle somewhere else from your birthplace or some different country, some foreign country or some a good country, then you will have great result regarding that matters. Fourth house lord being present into 12th house, this also could be a some expenses in the month of August regarding your home, properties, vehicles related matter, because 12th house is also your daily basic expenses, and fourth house is your properties, vehicles, comfort. So you may spend something to get comfort, conveniency, or renovate your home or some convenience related item. um, Mars controls your 10th house and your 5th house, and right now Mars is transiting from your third house in the sign of Virgo. 10th house, as you know, 10th house is your work, your respect, your image in society, your fame, your work environment, how good you are into your work, how far you can go into your career, how much success you will have into your life, and authority, as well as seen from your 10th house. Fifth house is your children, your love relationships, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, how smart you are, how genius you are, how fast you can plan things is also represented by fifth house. But in a normal way, we see your sincere love relationship, your children from your fifth house, and your early education. So 10,000 fifth house Lord being present to third house. Third house is the house of effort. But third house Lord is in a retrograde motion. So that's why we were saying in the beginning of this video, like you will get disturbing result till Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion. After that, your work related matter, your children related matter, your love relationship. If you don't have children, like you have sincere love relationship regarding all of that matter, you will have great result after 11th of August. Till 11th of August, try to control, as we discussed previously, like your arguments and your communication disturbance and your ego battles. Because Sun, especially till 16th of August, Sun will be till Sun is present into your first house. Rest we can expect a good result for all the Cancer ascendant people. Now, let's talk about Leo ascendant. For all the Leo ascendant people, Sun controls your first house. Sun is your ascendant lord. Sun is very important planet for you people. Right now, Sun is transiting from your 12th house in the sign of Cancer. Sun will stay into your 12th house till 16th of August. After 16th of August, Sun will move from your 12th house to your first house into your ascendant, where Ketu is already transiting. Ketu, into your first house, you may feel some disturbing result due to fact that Ketu give you separation. Ketu is a separative planet, so Ketu may give you some detachment, some from your relatives, from your loved ones, and try to pull you towards isolation. So you will come towards God or towards spirituality. Till Sun is present into your 12th house, till 16th of August, we can expect if you are somehow interested into spirituality or you understand spirituality, then you will have great result. After 16th of August, Sun will move to your first house into your ascendant. So, after 16th of August, your ascendant will be in a strong position, then you will have some stable result. Rahu is already transiting into your seventh house because Ketu is in your first house. These two are the same entity. So, when Sun will move to your first house, you will have some stability regarding your health related matter, regarding your overall aspects of life, because first house deal with you, your personality, your overall aspects of life, your journal health, etc. etc. Mercury controls your 11th house and your second house, both the money houses, because second house is your bank account, your wallet, your savings, your food intake habits, your family matters, etc. etc. And 11th house is your gains, incoming gains. How much gain you can accumulate in this life are seen from your 11th house. Your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of your hopes and wishes, and your support system, your sources are seen from 11th house. So your 11th house and second house lord is right now transiting from your 12th house, and Mercury as well moving in its retrograde motion, because till 11th of August Mercury will be moving in its retrograde motion. After 11th of August Mercury will come out from its retrograde motion and come back to its direct motion. So till 11th of August, you may face some unnecessary expenses, because 12th house will be your expenses, your losses. Your daily basis expenses are also seen from 12th house. Your foreign settlement related matters, your donations, ability to do donations are seen from your 12th house. Spirituality, imagination, space, astronauts, etc. etc. Dreams are somehow also seen from your 12th house, and paranormal activities are also represented by 12th house. So till 11th of August, till Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion, you may have to face some unnecessary expenses or some extra expenses. After 11th of August, you may get great result from foreign land, because in the house of Mercury, into your 11th house, Jupiter and Venus, both the planets are right now transiting, and these two planets considered as a teacher in astrology. In amongst all the planets, Jupiter considered as a teacher of naturally benefic planet, and Venus considered as a teacher of naturally malefic planets. So, if you have any connection to foreign land, like your work is somehow connected to foreign land, or your work is involving export import, or you work in a multinational company, then there will be a great opportunity for you people after 11th August. Venus controls your 10th house and your third house. Venus is right now transiting from your 11th house, as we discussed previously. Venus will stay into your 11th house till 21st of August. After 21st of August, Venus will move from your 11th house to your 12th house. So, being your 10th house lord into your 11th house with along with Jupiter. 11th house is, as we discussed previously, 11th house is the house of gains, house of incoming gains, recognition, achievements in life are seen from 11th house, and 10th house is your work environment, your authority, your fame, your power in life, etc. etc. So, being your third house and 10th house lord into your 11th house, you will put a lot of good effort into your work, no matter whatever you are doing, because third house is your effort and 10th house is your work. And right now, your third and 10th house lord is transiting from your 11th house, so you definitely you will get great result regarding your work related matter. Your bosses and superior will support you, and if you are by yourself on authoritative post, you will have great result, and your authority will increase at your workplace, whatever you are doing. There are high chances some of your hopes and wishes may come true in the month of August, and especially till Jupiter is transiting from your 11th house. Mars controls your ninth house and your fourth house, and right now Mars is transiting from your second house in the sign of Virgo. Previously, Mars was transiting from your first house into your ascendant along with Ketu, so you were facing some disturbance result because both the planets represent anger issues. Both the planets are fiery planets, so you may get aggressive time to time, but Mars is just moved before the beginning of August into your second house, and being your ninth house lord into your second house and fourth house, this will prove a great position for you people. But after 11th of August, because Mars is moving in the sign of Mercury, in the sign Virgo sign into your second house, and Mercury is right now moving in its retrograde motion into your 12th house. So after 11th of August, you will get great result regarding your properties, vehicles, comfort, related matter regarding your home, physical home related matter, because fourth house deal with such thing, your mother's related matter. And ninth house is your luck, your travel, your fortune is seen from ninth house, your higher education, your wisdom, you following the rules and regulation, etc. etc. So, regarding all of that matter, we can expect great results, but after 11th of August, when Mercury will come back to its direct motion. So, we can expect these results for all the Leo ascendant people. Now, let's talk about Virgo ascendant. For all the Virgo ascendant people, Sun controls your 12th house, and right now, Sun is transiting from your 11th house in the sign of Cancer. Sun will stay into your 11th house till 16th of August. After 16th of August, Sun will move from your 11th house to your 12th house in the sign of Leo in its own sign. Because Sun is the lord of your 12th house, and right now Ketu is transiting from your 12th house. Ketu in the sign of Sun into your 12th house usually give you a great result if you are some spiritual person or you love to be in isolated places or in a foreign places from your birthplace, because 12th house represented these things. If your work is somehow connected to imagination, like you are a movie director, you are a book writer, then you will get a great result being Ketu present into your 12th house. So, Sun being your 12th house lord present your 11th house. 11th house is the house of gains. If you have any connection to foreign land, like your work is somehow connected to foreign land, your earnings are coming from foreign land, or you have any connection, like your work somehow have any connection to foreign land, then there will be a high possibility you will have great result regarding your gains related matters. 11th house also represent your support system, your elder brothers, sisters, your sources are represented by 11th house and your hopes and wishes. Your support system will be very flourished, but Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion. We will come to later on Mercury, but Sun, if we are talking about Sun right now, the Sun will give you great result into 11th house before 16th of August. After 16th of August, when Ketu and Sun, both the planets will be into your 12th house, you will feel some enhance expenses in the month of August in real world. But if you are somehow connected to spirituality, as we discussed previously, like you are a work is somehow connected to imagination, you will have marvelous result. But 12th houses also represent expenses. That's why we were saying there will be some excessive expenses in the month of August you will have to face. Mercury is right now transiting from your 11th house into retrograde motion and being the lord of your first house and your 10th house. Mercury is very important planet for all the Virgo ascendant people. So Mercury being in its retrograde motion, present into your 11th house, and come back to its direct motion in around 11th August. So till the whole month of August, Mercury will be moving in its into your 11th house, but till 11th of August, Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion. So till Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion, you may get some uh, disturbing result regarding your friend circle and professional circle because 10th house Lord moving in the house of friend circle and professional circle and moving in its retrograde motion. Your job will be okay. You will perform very well in at your workplace. You may get some increment promotion due to the fact your 10th house, Mercury house is occupied by Jupiter and Venus. And these two are the positive planet in astrology, and so they will cover up all your 10th house activity. But you may get some communication disturbance at least, or you will get some disturbance from your friend circle and professional circle. So be careful regarding that matters. Your ascendant lord moving into 11th house. So that's why you will have a great result as we discussed in some section and moving in retrograde motion. So try to take care of your health related matter and generally all the aspects of your life till Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion. Venus is right now present into your 10th house and Venus is the ruler of your 9th house and your second house. And Venus will stay into your 10th house till 21st of August. After 21st of August, Venus will move from your 10th house to your 11th house in the sign of Cancer. So, 9th house is your higher education, means your post-grad education, your teacher, mentor, guider, advisor, father figure, teachings of your father, your DNA is represented by 9th house. Your second house is your savings, your money matters, your bank account. Mainly, these things are represented by second house. So, second house and ninth house, Lord transiting from your 10th house, you will have great result due to your luck related matter because ninth house is also represent your fortune, your luck. If you have any connection, like you are in teaching profession or you somehow connected to teaching profession, then there will be a great opportunity and great success in the month of August. You might get some increment promotion in the month of August at your workplace. And if you are you by self in an education life, then there will high possibility you will have great result from your superior bosses, teachers, or your mentors. Second house being present into your 10th house along with Jupiter, so your money matters will be great. Just your expenses may increase after 16th of August when Sun will move to your 12th house as we discussed in Sun section. Otherwise, your finance will be in good flow. Your money matters will be okay in the month of August due to the fact that your second house Lord present into your 10th house along with Jupiter. Mars is the ruler of your eighth house and your third house. And right now, Mars has just moved from your 12th house to your ascendant before the beginning of August. And in the whole month of August, Mars will be present into your first house. So remember, we discussed about Mercury. Mercury is moving in retrograde motion. So Mars will give you supportive energy in the month of August till 11th of August, especially because till your ascendant lord is moving in retrograde motion, you may face some disturbing result. You regarding your health related matter, you may feel some down energy. So Mars will give you support, and Mars will give you some activity, some boost to your energy in the month of August, especially till 11th of August, till Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion. After that, Mercury will also give you great result. Third house, Mars also control your third house, so you will be very communicative, try to communicate with people. But being Mercury is moving its retrograde motion, you may get some disturbing result as we discuss in Mercury section. But after that, you will have great opportunities. If you are married right now, you may get some stable result. You may get great result after 11th of August. because Mars is aspecting to your seventh house and Saturn is present into your seventh house and Mars and Saturn both has a mutual aspect. So you will have a stable result regarding your marriage related matter as well. So we can expect these results for all the Virgo ascendant people in the month of August. Now let's talk about Libra ascendant. For all the Libra ascendant people, Sun controls your 11th house. And right now, Sun is starting from your 10th house in the sign of Cancer. 11th house is your gains, your friend circle, your professional circle, your support system are seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. Sun will stay into your 10th house till 16th of August. After 16th of August, Sun will move from your 10th house to your 11th house in the sign of Leo. So, being your 11th house Lord present into your 10th house, 10th house is your work environment, how much authority you will have in this life, how far you can go into your career. Your fame is seen from 11th house, 10th house. So, being your 11th house Lord into your 10th house, you will have great opportunities. If your work is somehow connected to fame, like you're an actor, politician, or some celebrity, then there will be a high chance that your fame will increase in the month of August. And after 16th of August, when Sun will move from your 10th house to your 11th house, and Ketu is already transiting from your 11th, so your friend circle may detach you till Ketu is starting from your 11th house. But after 16th of August, Sun will give you boost to your 11th house because Sun is the Lord of your 11th house. There is a Leo sign into your 11th house, so Sun will give you some support regarding your friend circle, professional circle, which you were detached till from the Ketu starting from your 11th house. Uh, Mercury controls your 12th house and your 11th house. And right now, Mercury is starting in its retrograde motion till 11th of August. After 11th of August, Mercury will come out from its retrograde motion and will be in its direct motion again. So, for all the Libra ascendant people, 12th house is your foreign land, your donations, your spirituality, your imagination, your sleep pattern, your ability to do donations, etc., etc. Long-term investment are also represented by a 12th house. And ninth house is your travel, long distance travel, you're following the rules and regulations, your teacher, mentor, guider, advisor, and your post-grad education are also represented by. Means your higher education, your wisdom is represented by ninth house. Father figure in life is represented by ninth house. So ninth house and your 12th house Lord is moving its retrograde motion till 11th of August and being present into your 10th house. You will get great result as we discussed in some section regarding your work related matter, regarding your fame related matter. Just you have to be careful with your colleagues and your bosses regarding your communication related matter because when Mercury is moving its retrograde motion, there are high possibility you may do some mistake regarding your writing skills, regarding your communication skills, or you may have some verbal disturbance. So try to avoid disturbing communication at your workplace. Rest, we can expect great result after 11th of August. Venus is the lord of your eighth house and your first house. Venus is your ascendant lord. Venus is very important planet for you people, for all the Libra ascendant people. And Venus will stay into your ninth house till 21st of August. After 21st of August, Venus will move from your ninth house to your 10th house in the sign of Cancer. So your ascendant lord is right now transiting from your ninth house and eighth also is the lord of your eighth house. So ninth house is your travel. You may get travel opportunity if you are looking to travel because the fact that Jupiter is also transiting into your ninth house along with Venus. And eighth house is your sudden event. So suddenly you may get opportunity to travel somewhere or you have to travel somewhere in the month of August if you have facing some circumstances or your time period supporting right now into your birth chart. If you are in education, like your education will be great, your teacher will be very supportive, like you are doing some research studies or some thesis work regarding your postgrad education, then there will be a great result for all the Libra ascendant people due to presence of Venus and Jupiter into your ninth house. Mars controls your second house and your seventh house. And right now, Mars is just moved from your 11th house to 12th house before the start of August in the end of July. And till the whole month of August, Mars will stay into your 12th house. So your second house lord present into your 12th house and seventh house lord also. If you are married right now, as we discussed previously, your ninth house occupied by Venus and Jupiter, and 12th house is occupied by Mars, and also the energy of your seventh house. So if you're married right now, you may go on a trip with your spouse. If you're expecting a foreign spouse, like you're looking for a foreign proposal, then there are high possibility you will get a good proposal from foreign land in the month of August. You may have to lose some savings because 12, second house is your money matters, your bank account, your savings, and right now transiting from your 12th house. 12th house is your expenses, losses, foreign land. So you may have to expand something to get a travel, or you may have expenses, excessive in expenses in the month of August, other than usual because as we discussed previously, 12th house is your expenses, losses, isolations, and also your foreign land related matter. So we can expect these results for all the Libra ascendant people in the month of August. Now let's talk about Scorpio ascendant. For all the Scorpio ascendant people, Sun controls your 10th house, and right now Sun is transiting from your ninth house in the sign of Cancer, and Sun will stay into your ninth house till 16th of August 2025. After 16th of August, Sun will move from your ninth house to your 10th house in the sign of Leo. So, 10th house is your work environment, your authority, how far you can go into your career, your work environment, how supportive your colleagues will be, how supportive your bosses will be, etc., etc. Basically, your authority is seen from your 10th house, and right now, Ketu is starting from your 10th house. And 10th house Lord Sun is present into your ninth house till 16th of August. After 16th of August, Sun will join Ketu in its own sign into your 10th house. For all the Scorpio sign people, you were previously facing a lot of difficulties regarding your work related matter, regarding your authority, regarding your career related matter, whatever you are doing. Because Ketu has that separative tendency, so Ketu may try to detach you from your work related matter regarding your colleagues, etc., etc. Till Sun, your ninth house Lord is present into your ninth house, you will have some stability, but still facing a difficult result. But after 16th of August, Sun will give you some stability when will be present in its own sign into your 10th house. Whatever you are doing right now, if you are a job person or you are a business person. Mercury is right now present into your ninth house, and Mercury is the controller of your eighth house and your 11th house. And Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion till 11th of August. After 11th of August, Mercury will come back to its direct motion into your ninth house. So, being your uh, eighth house and 11th house lord, have you will have great result regarding your unexpected gains because eighth house is your gains, your sudden event, your sudden positive, sudden negative events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life. So, beside the fact Venus and Jupiter present in the sign of Mercury into your eighth house, and that's why you will have great opportunities after Mercury come back to its direct motion into your 11th house, into your ninth house, sorry. Uh, if you are into some higher education, like you are doing some post-grad education, you have mentors, teacher, and father figures into your life, they will also get in great result beside the fact Mercury being present in your ninth house and Jupiter and Venus present in the sign of Mercury into your eighth house. So, if you are in his research studies, because if from eighth house we also see a research finding a truth from deep down. So, regarding all of that matter, you will have great results after 11th of August. Venus is the controller of your seventh house and your 12th house, and right now Venus is transiting from your eighth house in the sign of Gemini. Venus will stay into your eighth house till 21st of August. After 21st of August, Venus will move from your eighth house to your ninth house in the sign of Cancer. Seventh house is your marriage, your relationships, your commitment, your legal bindings, your agreemented thing, etc., etc. And 12th house is your foreign land, foreign travel, your imagination, your expenses, your losses, your long-term investment, jail, asylum, hospitalization, etc., etc. Being your 12th house and 7th house Lord present into your 8th house, you will, as we discussed previously in Mercury section, you will have sudden opportunity to get gain in the month of August, and suddenly you will have positive result because eighth house is a sudden thing. So you will get suddenly great result regarding your marriage, regarding your relationship related, and also regarding your foreign land related matter. If you have any connection or you're willing to travel somewhere, or you have any long-term investment and if you are into some research studies, astrology, tarot card, then there will be a high possibility you will have great result regarding all of that matters. Mars is your ascendant lord, and Mars also controls your sixth house. And Mars is just moved from your 10th house to your 11th house in the in the end of July and beginning of August. And Mars will stay into your 11th house till the whole month of August. Your ascendant lord being present into your 11th house. 11th house is the house of gains. Incoming gains are seen from 11th house. Your support system, your sources, your elder brothers and sisters. Regarding all of that matter, you will have great result. If you are facing some court case litigation argument, because 6th house deal with your court case litigation argument. So regarding all of that matter as well, you will have great gains and things will turn into your favor because sixth house is your also deal with your strength. 11th house is your support system, your gains, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment hopes and wishes. And Mars is also your ascendant lord. So you will have great result in the month of August if you are facing some court case litigation and doing some competitive exam, etc., etc. If you are in debt right now, if you are in loan right now, you will be able to pay your loan back in the month of August. We can expect these results for all the Scorpio ascendant people in the month of August. Now let's talk about Sagittarius ascendant people. For all the Sagittarius ascendant people, Sun controls your ninth house, and ninth house Lord is right now transiting from your eighth house in the sign of Cancer. Sun will stay into your eighth house till 16th of August. After 16th of August, Sun will move from your eighth house to your ninth house in the sign of Leo. And Sun is the controller of your ninth house. There is the thing Ketu is being transiting from your ninth house as well previously. Ninth house deal with your teachers, mentor, guider, advisor, your education, especially your higher education. Your postgrad education are seen from a ninth house, following the rules and regulations seen from ninth house. So somehow you will feel some type of detachment since Ketu is transiting from your ninth house because Ketu is a separative planet. Ketu separate you from worldly things so that you can close to the spirituality or God. Till 16th of August, Sun is being transiting from your 8th house. 8th house is your secret, your secretive activities, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life are seen from 8th house. Uh, Certain positive event and certain negative event also seen from 8th house. Research studies. So, being your ninth house lord into your 8th house and Ketu is a planet of searching. Uh, People who have a dominant Ketu in their chart, they are mostly a researcher, scientist, because Ketu is representing searching everything, searching the truth. If you are somehow connected to research studies, or your work is somehow connected to research, or digging deep into things, then there will be a very good result for all the Sagittarius ascendant people. If your work is somehow connected to some agencies like defense agencies of any country, then secretive agencies, then there will be a high good positive result for all you people. After 16th of August, when Sun will move to its own house into your ninth house, then we can expect you will have a stable result where you have already feeling some disturbance regarding your ninth house related matter because Ketu somehow give you detachment. So being into your ninth house Ketu And when ninth house Lord will also be transiting from your ninth house, you will have some stability till Sun will present into your ninth house regarding your teachers, mentor, guider, and your education related matters. If you in your home, if you have any elderly people, then you need to be take care of them a lot, because ninth house also represent elderly and fatherly figures. So if they are facing some health issues, you need to be very careful and take care of them in especially after 16th of August. Mercury is right now transiting from your 8th house, and Mercury is the controller of your 10th house and your 7th house. uh, Mercury being transiting from your 8th house, and right now Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion. Until 11th of August, Mercury is moving still in its retrograde motion. After that, Mercury will come back to its direct motion. So Mercury was previously for some time moving in retrograde motion, as we discussed in last month prediction video, and controlling your 7th house, like your marriage, your relationship, your business partnership, your commitments, and 10th house your work environment. But there is a one positive thing also. Your 7th house, Mercury house, is right now occupied by Venus and Jupiter, and 10th house is also occupied by Mars. So till Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion into your 8th house, you may face some disturbance result from your spouse or spouse's family if you are married right now. But things will be okay, things will be under control due to the presence of Venus and Jupiter into your 7th house. And regarding your work related matters, some people may try to create conspiracy against you or some disturbance like your co-worker or your acquaintances. But due to the presence of 12th house and 5th house Lord into your 10th house, you will have stability regarding your work related matter as well. Venus is the controller of your 11th house and your 6th house. And right now, Venus is transiting from your 7th house in the sign of Mercury to your 7th house. And Venus will change its sign from your 7th house to 8th house around 21st of August. So till 21st of August, your sixth house is represent your conflicts, your arguments, your against people, your court case litigation, argument fights. So, being your sixth house lord into your seventh house and seventh house lord into your eighth house into retrograde motion. That's why we were saying in Mercury section, you may face some disturbance result from spouses or your business partnership or spouse's family. But due to the presence of Jupiter, you will have some stability and things will be under your control. But still, you need to be take care and be polite with your partner. If you are female or male, like you, if you are anyone, you take care of your spouse in the month of August or be polite with them. You may face some disturbance with it. If you have any sincere love relationship, then this situation applies to you as well regarding your seventh house related matter. Mars controls your fifth house and your 12th house, and right now transiting from your 10th house. What is fifth house? Fifth house is your children's, your education related matter, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, how smart you are, how genius you are, how fast you can learn things, etc., etc. But in a normal life, we usually see your children's, your love relationship, especially your sincere love relationship, your education, how smart, and your mental capabilities. Your fun activities also represented by fifth house. So, and 12th house is your foreign land, your expenses, your losses, your long term investment, your spirituality, imaginations, your dreams, your sleep pattern, and somehow your bedroom is also represented by 12th house. So, being your fifth house and 12th house lord transiting from your 10th house, you will have stability at your workplace. And if you have any connection from foreign land regarding your work, it matter like you are in export import or your work is somehow connected to foreign land, then there is a high possibility you will have a good result regarding your gains from foreign land, because 12th house lord being present into your 10th house. So we can expect these results for all the Sagittarius ascendant people in the month of August. Now let's talk about Capricorn ascendant. For all the Capricorn ascendant people, Sun is the controller of your uh, eighth house, and right now Sun is starting from your seventh house. And Sun will stay into your seventh house till 16th of August. After 16th of August, Sun will move from your seventh house to its own house into your eighth house. Ketu is as well transiting from your eighth house. So, what is eighth house is a secret, your secretive activities, your sexual organs, your sexual relationship, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life are seen from eighth house. Your research studies, astrology, tarot, all the hidden truths are represented by eighth house. So, eighth house lord being starting from your seventh house is your marriage, your relationships, your legal bindings, your agreemented thing, your commitments, how you will meet others, how others perceive you, etc., etc. So, being your eighth house lord into your seventh house and expecting your first house. First of all, regarding your work and your image related matter, you will have great result because Sun will illuminate your ascendant, and ascendant is your Capricorn. Sun somehow get strength in the sign of Capricorn, being considered as a strong in the sign of Capricorn. So, Sun aspecting your first house, you will have great result regarding your fame, regarding your personality, and regarding your games related matter, and your respect will increase. Regarding your seventh house relationship related matter, you may indulge into some ego battle with your spouse. So try to be careful when you're communicating with your business partner and your spouse, and if you have any relationship into your life, or you have multiple relationship into your life, because seventh house is other people, your partners. So for men, you need to be take care of communication with women, and if you are a woman, then you have to be take care regarding your communication related matter with men. Mercury controls your ninth house and your sixth house, and right now Mercury is moving into your seventh house in its retrograde motion, and Mercury will stay retrograde till 11th August 2025. After like 11th August, Mercury will come back to its direct motion into your seventh house. So, your sixth house is your court case, litigation, argument, fights, your daily routine in context of work, your loans, your debt, uh, how much strength you have in to withstand all the difficulties into your life. Also represented by sixth house. People who provide you services are seen from sixth house. And ninth house is your following the rules and regulation, your elders, your teachers, mentor, guider, advisor, your higher education and elderly people into your life. Your coaches, your mentors, and your long distance travel somehow also represented by ninth house. So, being your ninth house and sixth house lord moving its retrograde motion into your seventh house. Till 11th of August, you may face some disturbing result with your spouse or your partner or your business partner, because Mercury is also controller of your sixth house, and sixth house is the conflict. Right now, transiting from your seventh house into retrograde motion, and whenever any planet turn into its retrograde motion, its effect will be double. Either it was previously giving good result or bad result. So that's why we were saying in some section till 11th of August, you have to be very careful regarding your communication related matter with your spouse or your business partner if you have any business in partnership. Venus controls after 11th of August when Mercury will come back to its direct motion, then things will come back to its stability regarding your communication related matter. Venus controls your 10th house and your 5th house, and right now Venus is transiting from your 6th house along with Jupiter in the sign of Mercury. And as we discussed previously, Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion. Beside the fact that sixth house is the house of conflict, but somehow 10th house, sixth house, and second house always connected to your work and your earnings. Because these triangle is always represented your work related matter, your earnings related matter, where you earn money. This is right now starting from your sixth house, being your 10th house lord, give you strength, and there will be a great result regarding your work related matter. You will have very much involving into your work related matter, and your work will be going great regarding your career, regarding your work, whatever work you are doing. If you're a business person, then you may face communication disturbance, but thing will be going okay regarding your status, regarding your money related matter. Venus also controls your fifth house, and fifth house is your children's, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, your mental ability, your planning ability. Due to the fact that Jupiter is also present into your sixth house with your fifth house lord. So Venus has the support of Jupiter, and these two planets are considered as the teacher in astrology. So you will have some disturbance regarding the education related matter because sixth house is the naturally malefic house. Somehow problem difficulties are always associated with these houses. Sixth house, eighth house, and 12th house. So you may face disturbing result if you are in education life. You may somehow feel distracted. You may indulge towards more fun activities, but try to. You will have support. Being Jupiter present into your sixth house with your fifth house lord, and your mental abilities will be very smooth in the month of August. Mars is the lord of your 11th house and your fourth house, and right now Mars is starting from your ninth house in the sign of Virgo. Mars has just moved from your 8th house to your ninth house in the end of July and in the beginning of August, and will stay into your ninth house till the whole month of August. So, 11th house is your support system, your incoming gains, your hopes and wishes, fulfillment of hopes and wishes, your support system, your sources, and 4th house is your properties, vehicles, your home, physical home where you live with people, and your home is represented by 4th house, your home environment represented by 4th house, your home land represented by 4th house, all the conveniences you will have into your life, and your mother's relationship represented by 4th house. So being your 11th house lord and 4th house lord present into your ninth house, and ninth house is the house of luck as well, and all the things which we have just represented. So you will have, if you are looking to travel somewhere for visiting some uh, place or for some time, then there will be a high possibility you will get the opportunity till Mars is transiting from your ninth house, because 11th house involve house of gains, house of fulfillment of hopes and wishes. So if you have any wish to travel somewhere, this wish may come true in the month of August. If you are thinking about traveling somewhere or you have plans to travel somewhere in the month of August, uh, your friend circle will be very supportive to you. Your acquaintances will be very supportive to you in the month of August. There will be a very supportive people. If you have elder brothers and sisters in life, they will also be very supportive to you. Just till 11th of August, you need to be take care of your communication related matter, especially with your spouse and your business partnership if you have any business in partnership. So we can expect these results for all the Capricorn ascendant people in the month of August. Now, let's talk about Aquarius ascendant. For all the Aquarius ascendant people, Sun controls your seventh house, and right now Sun is starting from your sixth house in the sign of Cancer. Uh, Sun will stay into your sixth house till 16th of August. After 16th of August, Sun will move from your sixth house to your seventh house in the sign of Leo. Sixth house is the house of competition, house of conflicts, house of litigations, argument, court cases. If you are facing some against people thing into your life, then this will also represented by sixth house. Generally, conflicts and strength to withstand all this type of activities are seen from sixth house. Your daily routine in context of work and your earnings somehow represented by sixth, second, and 10th house as well. Your loans, your debt. If you are in loan debt right now, this thing is also represented by your sixth house. Seventh house is your relationship. So house of relationship Lord is present into your sixth house, and Ketu is present into your seventh house. Ketu is not a worldly planet, materialistic planet. Ketu is a spiritual planet. So Ketu try to give you detachment from worldly things, from your worldly relationships, like your spouse, your uh, social circle, etc. So till Ketu being transiting from your seventh house and Sun is also present into your sixth house, are currently facing some disturbance with your get-togethers, relationship, your spouse, etc., etc. And sixth house is the house of conflict. So 16th of August, you need to be very careful because Mercury is as well moving in its retrograde motion into your sixth house and controlling your fifth house and your eighth house. There is one benefit thing as well. Eighth house is a naturally malefic house, and sixth house as well is a naturally malefic house. And when one naturally malefic house lord transiting from another naturally malefic house, its effect will be nullified. So because cancels negative always cancels each other out, and this will prove a positive situation for you people. Being your regarding your court case, litigation, if you're facing some competitive exams, etc., then things will turn into your favor in the month of August. Especially after 11th of August, because Mercury come back to its direct motion at 11th August 2025. So after that, we can expect you will have a great result regarding all of that matters. Venus is a controller of your ninth house and your fourth house. And right now, Venus is starting from your fifth house in the sign of Gemini. Venus will stay into your fifth house till 21st of August. And after 21st of August, Venus will move into your sixth house in the sign of Cancer. Venus is present in your fifth house along with Jupiter. So Venus has the support of Jupiter into your fifth house. Although Lord of your fifth house, Mercury is being in moving in its retrograde motion into your sixth house, but Jupiter is giving support to your ninth house and fourth house Lord. So your home related matter, your homeland related matter, your property vehicle will be stable, and there is a high possibility you may renovate your home or you may move to a different good home or big home during this time period if you are looking to change your house or properties, vehicles, etc. in a good manner. Uh, After 21st of August, when Venus will move to your sixth house, so Mercury and Venus, both the planets will be into your sixth house. So this will be a great turning point for you people regarding your facing. If you are facing some difficulties, you will be able to pay your loans back, and there will be a good result regarding your court case litigation arguments related matter. You may encounter travel because Mercury being retrograde and moving in the house, sixth house, and inspecting your 12th house. 12th house is the foreign land. So you may get travel opportunity if you are looking to travel somewhere in the month of August as well. Mars is the controller of your third house and 10th house, and right now Mars is transiting from your eighth house. Mars is just moved in the end of July and beginning of August to your eighth house and will stay into your eighth house till the whole month of August. So, 10th house is your work environment, your authority, your career, how good you are into your work, etc., etc. And third house is your communication, your courage, your communication abilities, cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, etc., etc. Your hands and hand skills also represented by third house. Whatever God gifted skills you have regarding your hands related matters are seen from your third house. So, being your third house and 10th house Lord present into your eighth house. First of all, if your work is somehow connected to secret or secretive work, then there will be a very great result for you people. You will, because Mars is a energy, aggressive energy, and eighth house is the research house, because you can find many things regarding it into your eighth house, like all the hidden knowledge are represented by eighth house. So if your work is somehow connected to digging like research or some secretive work, then there will be a very great result for all the Aquarius ascendant people. If you are into some astrology or tarot card or all these type of education or this type of studies, then there will be a very great result for all the Aquarius ascendant people. You just need to take care of your spouse's family's relationship, because there are high possibility if you're married right now, you may indulge into some differences with your spouse's family or with your spouse. Beside the fact that Ketu is transiting from your fifth house of relationship. Rest, we can expect great results for all the Aquarius ascendant people. So we can expect these results for all the Aquarius ascendant people in the month of August. Now let's talk about Pisces ascendant people. For all the Pisces ascendant people, Sun is the ruler of your sixth house, and right now Sun is transiting from your fifth house in the sign of Cancer. Sun will stay into your sixth house till 16th of August. After 16th of August, Sun will move from your fifth house to your sixth house in its own sign in the sign of Leo. Sixth house is the house of conflicts. You're against people, your court case, litigation, arguments, your debt, your loans, your nature of your work, at what nature of work you are going to work is seen from your fifth house. Like nature of your work is represented by sixth house. So, being your sixth house lord present in your fifth house is your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your children, your love relationship, girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, your fun activities, your gambling, somehow also represented by fifth house and eighth house. So, being your sixth house lord present in your fifth house, there is a high possibility if you're somehow into your like your work is somehow connected to thinking or mental abilities, there will be a high possibility you will have great result. If you have children into your life, you may face some difficulties regarding your children's related matter because Sun is the sixth house lord, and sixth house lord being present to fifth house, and Ketu is already present into your sixth house. So you may face some disturbance result with your children if you have children into your life, or if you have any sincere love relationship. So try to control your communication differences till 16th of August, especially till 11th of August, because Mercury, which is the natural ruler of communication, right now transiting from your fifth house into retrograde motion along with sixth house lord. And sixth house is the house of conflicts. After 16th of August, when Sun will transit to your fifth house in its own sign along with Ketu, so you will have some stable result. Your enemy will vanish and they will get defeated in the month of August, especially after 16th of August. Mercury controls your fourth house and your seventh house. And right now, Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion into your fifth house along with Sun till 11th of August. So, seventh house is your relationship, your get-togethers, your commitments, your legal bindings, your agreemented things. Your fame is somehow also seen from seventh house. Your fourth house is your homeland, your properties, vehicles, comfort, your mother's relationship, all the conveniences you have into your life. Your homies also represented by fourth house. So right now your 4,000 7th house lord is moving into great motion. You may face some disturbing result, but being Jupiter is present into your 4,000, respecting its own house, your 10th house. So you will have great support of Jupiter into your 4,000. Venus is as well present into your 4th house. And both the planet aspecting your 10th house. So 10th house will be in a strong position, like your image will be very strong, your fame will increase if your work is somehow connected to fame, you're a public figure or a celebrity. Just you need to be take care of your fifth house related matter and your conflict till 11th of August, till Mercury is moving in retrograde motion. After 16th of August, when Sun will move from your fifth house to your sixth house, and then this axis, sixth and 12th axis will be activated because Rahu Ketu already transiting from your sixth, 12th axis, and Sun, which is sixth house lord, also aspect to your 12th house. So you may encounter long distance travel if you are willing to settle down somewhere in a different country, some far off places, then there is a high possibility you will get travel opportunity in the month of August, especially after 16th of August. Venus is the controller of your eighth house and your third house, and right now Venus is transiting from your fourth house in the sign of Gemini along with Jupiter. Venus will stay into your fourth house till 21st of August. After 21st of August, Venus will move from your fourth house to your fifth house in the sign of Cancer. So third house is your efforts, your courage, your communication, and eighth house is your secrets, your longevity, your chronic diseases, certain positive event and certain negative event. Beside the fact that eighth house Lord is present nine places away from itself into your eighth house. So you at eighth house and fourth house, nine places away from eighth house into your fourth house, and fourth house is the house of your homeland, your properties, your vehicles. Suddenly, you will get some great result regarding your travel, regarding your properties, regarding your vehicles, etc., etc. There is a high possibility suddenly you will improve your life standard because 10th house Lord present in your 4th house, and 8th house is a sudden positive event and sudden negative event. Controller of your sudden positive event and sudden negative event also present into your 4th house. So that's combination also indicating that you will have some new beginning, or you will have some great result regarding your 4th house and travel related matter. If you will not encounter some travel related matter, then you will get some renovation of home, some good vehicles, or some great conveniences related item into your home in the month of August, especially after 16th August. Mars, Mars is the controller of your second house and your ninth house, and right now Mars is present into your seventh house in the sign of Virgo. Mars is just moved from your sixth house to your seventh house in the end of July and in the beginning of August. And till the whole month of August, Mars will be present into your seventh house. Uh, Previously, Mars was present to your sixth house along with Ketu. So your enemies, you're against people. If you're facing some court case litigation, then these people will get defeated. And when after 16th of August, Sun will move to your sixth house, they will completely vanish regarding your anything which bothers you, they will get vanished because Ketu into your sixth house will will defeated your enemies and Ketu will create such situation because malefic planets always perform very well in the malefic houses, and Sun is the lord of your sixth house. So this will prove a very positive position for all the Pisces ascendant people after 16th of August, and Mars will giving you strength, and Saturn is always and Saturn is also transiting from your first house into your ascendant. Saturn and Mars give you strength to withstand all the difficulty, and Sun will vanish your all the enemies away in the month of August, especially after 16th of August if you are facing such thing. If you are not facing these things, then there will be a good possibility for you people regarding all of that matter. Just take care of your aggression related matter with your spouse time to time because Mars into your sixth house will give you aggression and also control your controller of your second house, your money related matter. So into your seventh house, if you have any partnership, business partnership, if you are married right now, you have any relationship, you need to be take care of your anger issues because Saturn is also aspecting your Mars into your seventh house. So just you need to take care of these matter. Rest we can expect great result for all the Pisces ascendant people. So we can expect these results for all the Pisces ascendant people in the month of August. Our today's video monthly prediction of August 2025 for all the ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, take care.